Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Zillow. They're looking for a computer vision intern. It pays up to $140,000 a year. About the team: are you passionate about building new, immersive experiences to change how people shop for homes and rentals? Every month, 180 million users turn to Zillow for help. The Zillow Rich Media Experience team is reimagining the home tour experience, giving people the feeling of being there from the convenience of their phones or PCs. Using groundbreaking technologies, our team works across product, research, engineering, and business to enable people to walk through a home. We believe this will become the future of home shopping. About the role: our team is hiring interns for summer 2023. The RMX team focuses on building the next generation scalable home visualization and drives the Zillow 3D home experience. Learn more about our work at https://www.zillow.com/marketing/3dhome. As an intern, you will have the opportunity to make an impact on the entire pipeline, from content capture and creation, back-end processing, to front-end display and interaction. We are eager to partner with hardworking students interested in pushing the state-of-the-art in the complicated, high-impact research area of extracting image and text-based insights from real estate data. Our team has an open attitude towards research, and we encourage publications and continuing collaborations. Most of our past interns have submissions and publications at top conferences such as CBPR and ECCB as a product of intern research and team collaboration. Please see https://github.com/zillow/as research for more details. This role has been categorized as a remote position. Remote employees do not have a permanent corporate office workplace and instead work from a physical location of their choice, which must be identified to the company. Employees may live in any of the 50 U.S. states with limited exceptions. In Colorado, Connecticut, Nevada, and New York City, the standard base pay range for this role is $94,000 to $140,000 annually. This base pay range is specific to Colorado, Connecticut, Nevada, and New York City and may not be applicable to other locations. In addition to a competitive base salary, this position is also eligible for equity awards based on factors such as experience, performance, and location. Actual amounts will vary depending on experience, performance, and location. Who you are. The ideal computer vision intern is a PhD graduate student working towards a degree in computer science, computer vision, robotics, or other applicable field exploring computer vision and machine learning research. Has experience working in at least one of these areas. Deep learning applied to scene understanding. Representation learning with no limited labeled data, semi-weekly supervised learning. Multimodal learning, especially using images and text. Knowledge and vision enhanced natural language generation. Text-to-image generation. Has good publication record or is highly motivated towards publishing at top-tier scientific conferences. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notify viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.